Hey there. I have been thinking a lot about mental health. I've never actually really done a video on mental health, but I talk a lot of topics that have to do with mental health and just personal growth and self-talk and angels and relationships and many details. But today I kind of want to talk a little extra about mental health. I am absolutely no expert on this. I am just sharing from my heart and the fact that I've had the privilege and the choice to be able to travel like I do, live in different countries, be around a whole variety of different people. I am noticing the power of a strong, healthy mental well-being, perspective on life of clarity, concentration, and positivity. And I just want to reach out to anyone that is struggling with their own body confidence, their own choices of life. Maybe it's their sexual orientation, maybe it's their gender affirming care that they want. Maybe it's just where they are in their relationship. Maybe they're ready to leave a relationship, but everybody else around them wants to stay in it. And everyone thinks their opinion matters. Maybe it's the career that they're in and they're just not feeling fulfillment. Maybe they're not comfortable in their own bodies. Maybe there's a million questions to say to that. What I want you to know is that I'm here for you. I'm here to share topics that might stimulate your mind, get some conversations going, shift your perspective. It's always been important to me to give another way of looking at life for people and also show that anything is possible. I mean, I was a solo parent at a young age, and I raised my son, and then I had 2 more kids, and then I was a single parent. Life hasn't been smooth and easy. I lost 2 brothers, and both my parents have passed. And, life can be difficult, but it's also what makes us who we are. It's part of our story. We can get caught up in being upset at people who have let us down or hurt us, or relationships that didn't work and heartbreak that's happened. But we can also look at each one of these experiences that have moved us forward. I got excited and decided to come to New Zealand because I kept meeting people from New Zealand. That doesn't mean that I am here because of somebody from New Zealand, but I got inspired because of meeting someone from New Zealand. That helped my mental health to feel better because I met somebody that spoke to me, a soulmate connection that made me feel seen and heard and validated. Yeah, I haven't seen him again, and it was a moment in time, but it was a moment that woke me up. And I think that if we take time to get to know more people, we can have more moments that will wake us up. We can have more soulmate interactions. We can have these moments where we suddenly want to fly halfway across the world just to get a new view, to shake up the perspective. So I want you to know I'm here to believe in you. I'm here to give you a virtual hug, a little smile, a little laughter, a little bit more of a resonating thought that whatever you're thinking or feeling is okay. And if it's positive, let's do more of it. If it's negative and draining you, let's find new thoughts to fill your mind. Let's shift how you're going about things because you matter, you count, and you are of value. It's interesting traveling because not knowing anybody, I could just sit in this Airbnb and never go out. Never talk to anybody. Nobody knows it. My family and my friends are far away. They have no idea what I'm actually doing. But I have to choose every day to get up and go find some food, go walk around, go to places that I might actually talk to somebody. And that isn't always easy, but when you get hungry, it's amazing what you can find and discover. I know a lot of people are living in life and not even going outside. They might go to their job, they might go get the groceries, but they're not actually living. They're not participating. They're not doing that deep inhale. They're not getting the butterflies. They're not getting the fun, flirty moments. They're not having great makeout sessions. So I just want you to be aware that I'm aware. It's not always easy to be alive, but it's a lot worse if you're not here. You matter in so many ways. You count, you make a difference, and you are worth it. So I want you to leave in the comments what you did to just be seen a little bit more today. What did you do to make a difference in somebody's life by having a fun conversation? I love sharing my spontaneous conversations, not just because I want to just talk about my story that I just had, but because I want you to know how much somebody could enjoy getting to know you because of you seeing how people have fun getting to know me, which means I have fun getting to know them. And you could have fun getting to know whomever is mysteriously going to bump into you, sit at the coffee shop, join a walk that you're on. Maybe you're part of a group taking a walk, or maybe you go and get some happy hour and talk to the person sitting next to you in the bar stool. There is such a need and desire for connection, and this is where you get to show up. Are you ready for it? I'm Jacqueline with JacquelineNichols.com. Let's keep the conversation going and tell me how you are reaching out to others.